the last video, we packed to go to Kentucky, and now we're gonna head there. Let's do it. Let's go. This is a 4-day trip, and look, my cat does not want me to leave. You guys don't know, I do have a cat. His name is Dash. He hasn't been featured on the channel very much lately, but like, he's around, he's alive, he's kicking. Look how cute he is. I had to put a compilation. He wouldn't get off of my jacket. He was on my jacket, and I had to leave soon. But I'm like, but he's so cute. I did eventually get my jacket back. I did have to like kind of pull it from under him, but I got it back, and we're ready to go. I'll put my shoes on, because you don't wear shoes in an Asian household, and I am Asian, okay? If I look like I'm struggling, I'm 27, but I'm not good at tying my shoes. I've never really been good at tying my shoes. When I was a kid, I would just do Velcro shoes because I was so bad. We flew from Newark Airport, that's in New Jersey, but I want to show you this because I'm obsessed with this building. It looks like the Minions building, and every time, it's apparently a library. Every time I pass it, I'm like, I need to go there. The Uber ride was from Midtown to Newark. It did feel like it was longer than usual, but the flight was at 4:30, so we were in the Uber at 3. So maybe there's just more traffic because it's like after work hours, you know what I mean? Because I was watching this YouTube video, I feel like I was making weird faces reacting to it. I don't know why I recorded this, but I want to show you guys my Asian squat skills. Can you guys Asian squat? Are you Asian squatters? Because I'm Asian and I squat. I used to do a lot as a kid because, you know, you don't want to sit on the floor. America's dirty. Here's the Asian squat at a different angle. Can you guys Asian squat? Because I heard it's genetic, but I'm not sure. Let me know. I was hungry and we were at the airport and I love me some dumplings. So I'm like, let's try this place. But you will see the menu eventually. But look. Oh, also, it's so funny to like edit and watch back because he's staring right into my camera and I didn't even notice it filming because I was too busy doing stuff. But you never, like, I think it's so funny sometimes to watch things. The system for ordering food in Newark Airport is stupid. So you have to get this QR code and then you have to order on your own phone. Before you could use the iPad, but like the iPad doesn't even fucking work. So, I don't know. Look at the menu. It doesn't really make sense. If it's a Chinese dumpling, even if it was Taiwanese, it has everything but what you would think a place like this will have. We have Japanese, like sakes. We have like Korean food. We have shishito peppers. Isn't that Japanese? Korean salad, Korean fried rice, ramen. Ramen's actually Chinese though, if you guys didn't know. Like ramen has its basis in China. Like it was created in China, but it's just more popular in Japan. But like it's like, you know, we colonized it, I guess. And then here's all the drinks. It was $5 fucking for like sodas and stuff. And I'm like, and they're like, if you want to donate, absolutely fucking not. Do you think I don't got the money for that? I filmed my plane ticket, which was kind of dumb because I had to censor out half the shit because of privacy and safety reasons. But yeah, I did get the $5 cola. This is so small. Do you see the straw? They're tiny. Oh, well, it fits. I know some of you are asking, is this worth $5? Yes and no. The water was also expensive. So I figured out of like, you know, I might as well just get the cola, get some flavor. And this is the ramen. It was, oh my god, chef's kiss. I never thought that from a like airport I would get such good ramen. And look at me struggle trying to get these chopsticks out. Come on, you can do it, Sheila. You can do it past Sheila. Come on, let's do it. This is also during my like peek into my, what is it called? My van life phase. So I was watching a lot of van life videos. Literally, you can see that I was watching a Sarah Yak video right there if you really like try to see it. But yeah, this was so good. I had to like appreciate the food, so I kept these clips in. Is that dumb? Kind of. It's just kind of slow-ish. Yes. But like, yeah. Also, some people enjoy like the me eating like stuff. Like, they do really good on TikTok and stuff. I don't know if it's, like, the way I eat. I honestly feel like I eat so weird. I feel like my mouth looks so weird when I eat. Is it just because I shove things in my mouth? And, like, is it, like, you know, does it, like, make you feel some way? Is that why? Like, I don't know, because no one ever comments. So I have no reason why. But look at the meat. Like, everything. Like, this was definitely a Chinese-style ramen. But, like, so good. Like, it was, like I said, people be doing too much. This was so simple and yummy and like, oh my god. And I ate it up. This was a lot for me, okay? And you can see Sarah Yak in the background because I've been watching her like crazy. And this is how the plane was. The turbulence was bouncing. And this is some montages of the plane. Isn't that cute? I did one of those cute YouTuber things. And yeah, so then we got there. Eventually, we're in Kentucky now. Look at this machine. I did do a TikTok on it / short on it, so you might have seen this already. It's the Illy? I don't know how it's pronounced. I know it's like an Italian coffee brand, but I have no clue. We just got here, and it's raining. I don't think you can see anything. I think you can see. It's so empty in here. Oh my god. and very white. It's very white in here too. I fell asleep, so my hair is like kind of a mess, but it's not that bad. It could be worse. Yay for keratin.
All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your comfort.
Our group found this so amazing. It's a KFC in the Kentucky airport, because KFC is Kentucky Fried Chicken. Look at my picture. Isn't that cute? Oh my god. It was pretty cool though. I will admit. I checked my suitcase and we kind of leisurely went through the airport. So I had to run. I didn't have to run, but like I saw that we were one of the last suitcases and it drove me crazy. So I ran. I'm like, oh my god. And I got my suitcase and we're reunited and I was happy. My stuff was safe. And then we waited for an Uber to come to pick us up, to take us to the hotel, which honestly, the Uber ride was actually not that like long. It was kind of surprising because like New York airport to like any New York airport to the city is long. So yeah, why did I film? Yeah, this hotel was beautiful. It's the Omni in Louisville. Beautiful. Like, why is it so beautiful? It's so fancy. I did get in trouble filming in there though, because apparently I'm not supposed to have a camera. It's intimidating apparently, but it's very much a vlog camera. You can tell it's a vlog camera, but I got told no. Like, you might see in a second, the guy kind of comes up to me. Oh no, did I delete it out? Oh no, I don't think I did. It's coming. Look at that. I was like, oh, it's so pretty. Look at the swirlies. It's so fancy. I feel like, what the fuck? It's so fancy. I need to film this. He did say I could use my phone though, so. They had this Muhammad Ali juice stand when we checked in, and I think it was for the convention, because I didn't see it at all after this, which was really sad because I thought I was going to get more of it. Honestly, I probably would have gotten like 3 cups if I knew, but it was really good. I got the iced tea. It tasted like the lemon tea I like. Ooh. This is our hotel room. I did show like my first reactions, but I lost the footage because I'm stupid and I formatted my camera. Didn't know what that meant, so we no longer have that. But for dinner, we went to Bob's, which is a steakhouse, and it was very, very pricey. Like, look at it. It's already, you could tell it's fancy with the wine cellar thing over there, that it was going to be expensive. During dinner, I was, like, getting irritated with my hair, so I was like, let me fix it. I was in there for a while, just, like, the mirror was nice, so I was like, let me just keep fixing it. I'm like, oh, it doesn't look better. Here's the library hotel. Bar. The library bar in the hotel. Beautiful. So beautiful. It's giving rich white people. It's giving mansion. It's giving Kim Kardashian if she actually had furniture. I'm joking. Probably not Kim Kardashian. She's never gonna get furniture. But yeah, like, I liked it. I also was using my DJI Action 2 here, and I'm like, ooh, it looks nice. My roommates went and networked. I watched van life videos. This was when I was in the thick of it, where all I would watch is van life videos. I'm still really into van life videos, but at this point, I was going ham on van life videos. I feel like if you're a popular van lifer, I've probably seen your videos. I was obsessed. I'm still obsessed, but like, you know when you're like obsessively obsessed because it's a new like genre you like? That was it.
Privacy. Cooking in my van is one of my biggest hobbies. I love putting good energy and intention into my cooking. I have an induction cooktop that I use and solar panels.
So relaxing, and honestly, Sarah deserves so much more subscribers because her content is great. I did film a hotel room tour, but I'm going to put that in the next video. So see you guys next week for the hotel room tour of this beautiful hotel.